Hey guys, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to do a comparison between Galaxy Watch Active and Gear S3 Frontier. Now Gear S3 Frontier came out back in 2016 and Galaxy Watch Active came out just this year. But both can be bought at around the same price point, that is $200 US. You can easily find Gear S3 at that price point from eBay or Amazon or some other marketplaces. Now I'm not going to be talking about the software, since Samsung has done a great job of updating Gear S3 Frontier to the latest Samsung One UI software, and so the basic software features are similar in both the watches. So if you go in About Watch here, you can see that it's running on Samsung One UI, and if we go in Galaxy Watch Active, you'll see the same software is present on Galaxy Watch Active. So they're both running on Samsung One UI version 1. Now let's talk about the differences between these two watches, and the number one on the list is the water resistance. Now both of them are rated IP68, but you can only take a Galaxy Watch Active to swimming, since it is resistant to water up to 50 meters in depth of water and can endure 5 ATM pressures, whereas Gear S3 Frontier can only last up to the depth of 1.5 meters for up to 30 minutes. So you can take a shower with it. It will survive splashes of water, but you can't go swimming with this one, whereas you can take Galaxy Watch Active to swimming. Now same can be seen in their health activities. So if you go in Samsung Health and then go in a workout, you will see swimming option here. So there you go, you have the option to do swimming in a pool or outdoor swimming, whereas you will not find that option on Gear S3 Frontier. Let's go in here, and then you will not see any swimming options here. Now moving on to the next option, let's talk about Samsung Pay. Now there is a major difference between these two watches. Gear S3 Frontier came out almost 3 years ago, but has got NFC as well as MST options. So if you are at a terminal with no contactless payment, you can still use Gear S3 to make the payments, because it has got that MST that mimics the magnetic swipe of a credit card or a debit card, whereas you don't have that option on Samsung Galaxy Watch Active. So it only has NFC method of Samsung Pay, whereas Gear S3 has both NFC and MST. Next up, there is a difference in the battery capacity of these two watches. So Gear S3 Frontier has a battery capacity of 380 mAh, whereas Galaxy Watch Active has a battery capacity of 230 mAh. Where Galaxy Watch Active will last you 2 or 2.5 days at most, a Gear S3 Frontier will take you through 3 or even 4 days of work, and these times are with screen always on feature turned off, so your watch face will not be turned on all the time, and then you'll be able to get these battery times. So if you're someone who doesn't want to charge your watch every night, Gear S3 Frontier is your best bet. Otherwise, if you don't mind charging your watch every night, since you are charging your phone every night anyway, Galaxy Watch Active could be the deal for you. Now moving on, we have the latest and the fastest processor in Samsung Galaxy Watch Active. So we have Exynos 9110 dual core 1.15 GHz A53 processor, which is a 10 nanometer processor, whereas Gear S3 Frontier has Exynos 7270 dual core 1 GHz A53 processor, which is a 14 nanometer processor. So the processor in Galaxy Watch Active is much faster, and you will also notice in day-to-day actions when you are going through different pages, different widgets, it's much faster and smoother than the one on the Gear S3 Frontier. And also it depends on how your watch ages. So after a year of use or 2 years of use, you have to keep that in mind, because you'll not be changing your watch every year or 6 months. So you need to keep in mind if your watch is future proof as well. So where I believe Galaxy Watch Active will age very well in future, Gear S3 Frontier is already 3 years old, and I'm not sure if it will keep working as smoothly and as lag free in the future as your Galaxy Watch Active will be. And that brings me to the next difference, and that is the future software updates, which is as I've already told you, that both of these watches are running on Samsung UI 1, which is the latest software by Samsung for its smartwatches. Even Galaxy Watch is also on the same software. But as I've already told you that Gear S3 Frontier is a 3-year-old watch, we're not sure how long Samsung will keep on updating it to the latest software, whereas Galaxy Watch Active will without doubt keep on getting the latest software updates in the future as well. So it's basically about future proofing. So which one will last you longer? If you buy Gear S3 Frontier now, which is already 3 years old, you have to think about it, how long you will be using the smartwatch. Will you be able to change it in a year or two, or if you want to use it long term, or if you go with Galaxy Watch Active, which will definitely keep on getting software updates in the future as well, whereas we are unsure if Gear S3 Frontier will continue to get future software updates. So these are some of the major differences between these two watches. Their software features are quite similar at the moment, but Galaxy Watch Active does have some newer watch faces as compared to Gear S3 Frontier, but you can always download more watch faces from the Galaxy App Store. But the basic functionality is similar on these two watches. So these were some of the major differences between these two smartwatches. Both are exceptionally good watches. I've been using Gear S3 Frontier for years now. I've been using Galaxy Watch Active for 4-5 months now, and they are incredible, and I've enjoyed using both of them. So that's about it from this video, guys. If you have any questions, let me know and I'll try my best to answer them in the comment section, and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.